This clip will install the necessary drivers of your computer. How to check. Go to My Computer, right-click, select Device Manager. Now if there is any driver, which one has not yet been installed or is not visible, usually it will show up as a yellow exclamation mark in driver for a long time. There are two ways to set it. The first one is right-clicking, choosing to update the driver. If we already have it, it's easy to go to where we have the driver. But if we don't have it, we can choose to be automatic. It will search from the internet. This is method 1. Another way is to update Windows. When updating, it will search for drivers for it from the internet. Which press to check for updates and wait only. Well, now it takes a little time. If it doesn't take long, we have to split the load faster, but it takes time. One is on the important. It's the video graphic card. The battle on the topic. It is a Microsoft display adapter. That means it has not yet been downloaded. So you have to find it on the web. Check it is right. Click there and so normally go to detail. Then select hardware and then take the code of the first line. Go search in Google to download. If you have a driver or have something, you can continue eating as usual. Because this video card driver is an important